Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is numericals on undamped free vibrations. So, a damper offers a resistance 0.05 Newton at constant velocity 0.04 meter per second. The damper is used with stiffness K is equal to 9 Newton per meter. Find the damping and frequency of the system when mass of the system is 0.1 kg. So, first of all, force is given in the numerical. The value of force is 0.05 Newton. Velocity is 0.04 meter per second. Then stiffness is also given. The value is 9 Newton per meter. We have to find the value of damping and frequency of the system. And mass of the system is 0.1 kg. So we know that force will be equal to F is equal to C into X dash. We know that for viscous damping, force is equal to C into X dash, where F is the force, C is the viscous damping coefficient, and X dash will be the velocity. So the value of force is 0.05. This will be equal to C into X dash. C into X dash. The value of X dash is 0.04. So we can find the value of viscous damping coefficient. Its value will be equal to 0.05 divided by 0.04. So this will be equal to 5 by 4. The value will be 1.2. The value of viscous damping coefficient will be equal to 1.2. It will be 1.25. That will be the exact value. So the value of viscous damping coefficient will be equal to 1.25. Next, we have to find the value of natural frequency. Okay. We know that first of all, we have to check whether the system is a overdamped system, critical damped system, or a underdamped system. So first of all, we have to find the value of damping ratio. We know that damping ratio of epsilon is given by C by Cc. The formula for damping ratio will be equal to epsilon is equal to C by Cc. So C is given in the numerical. So first of all, we have to find the value of Cc. We know that Cc is equal to 2 into under root Km. We know that Cc is equal to 2 into under root Km. The formula for viscous damping coefficient is Cc is equal to 2 into under root Km. So this will be equal to 2 into under root. The value of K is 9. The value of K is 9 and the value of M is 0.1. So in this way, we can calculate the value of Cc. The value of Cc will be 1.897. 1.897. So the value of Cc is 1.897. Now we can calculate the value of damping ratio. Damping ratio is C by Cc. So this will be equal to the value of C is 1.25 and the value of Cc is 1.897. So its value will be less than 1. So it is a case of underdamped system. Its value will be 0.658. 0.658. As the value of damping ratio is less than 1. As the value of damping ratio is less than 1. So this is a case of underdamped system. When the value of damping ratio is less than 1, it is a case of underdamped system. When the value of damping ratio is equal to 1, it is a case of critical damped system. And when damping ratio is greater than 1, it is a case of overdamped system. Now we know that the frequency of damped vibration is given by omega d is equal to omega into under root of 1 minus epsilon square. The damped frequency is given by omega d is equal to omega into under root of 1 minus epsilon square. So first of all, we have to find the value of omega. We know that omega is equal to under root k by m. We know that omega is equal to under root k by m. So this will be equal to under root k upon m. The value of k is 9 divided by 0.1. So the value of omega will be omega is equal to under root k by m. So it will be equal to under root of 9 divided by 0.1. So its value will be 9.548. The value of omega is 9.548. So next we have to find the value of omega d. We know that omega d is equal to omega. The value of omega is 9.548 into under root of 1 minus epsilon square. The value of damping ratio is 0.658. 0.658. So 9.548 into under root of 1 minus 0.658 square. The value will be 7.14 radian per second. So the value of damping ratio is 7.14 radian per second.